Smile, Kim. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, but once we are here, it's like ordinary already, huh?
No, it's not it.
Well, you should bring your book.
No! I'm not allowed to.
You know, the nooks.
No. What if that falls in the water?
Oh, then we retrieve it. We just have to put a floater on it. You know what I mean?
No.
Look at that. Very nice. This is only for 15 minutes, but hey, we've been sailing for quite. It's really cool. I like to do this. And then next we do the helmet. Oh, helmet. There's a lot of fish there. That's more exciting. Yeah.
We see shark.
There's shark. Mama cannot do this because she has a fear of height.
What?
No, she has a fear of height. Mama.
What about you?
Oh, I love this. How about you?